Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the not delivered email error on Shopify. If your Shopify emails are not being sent or your customers are not getting order emails, do not worry. This usually happens because Shopify needs to check your sender email, your email address is not confirmed, or your store email setup is not finished yet. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, go to Shopify and log in to your store. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, look at the left side of the screen. You want to go to the Settings area. This is where Shopify keeps all the main store settings. Click on Settings and wait for the Settings page to open. Step 2. Go to Notifications. Now, inside the Settings page, look for Notifications. Click on Notifications. This is where Shopify controls the emails that go out from your store. These can be order emails, shipping emails, customer emails, and other store messages. If your email says not delivered, this is one of the first places you should check. Step 3. Check your sender email. Now, look for the Sender Email section. This is the email address Shopify uses when sending messages from your store. Make sure the email address here is correct. Check for spelling mistakes. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Also, make sure this is an email address you can actually open, because Shopify may send a message there to confirm it. If the email is wrong, change it to the right one, then save your changes. Step 4. Confirm your email address. After checking the sender email, Shopify may ask you to confirm the email address. If you see a message asking you to confirm it, click the button to send the confirmation email. Now open your email inbox. Look for the message from Shopify. If you do not see it, check your spam, junk folder, promotions, or other folders. Now open your email inbox. Look for the message from Shopify. If you do not see it, check your spam, junk folder, promotions, or other folders. When you find the message, open it and click the confirmation button. After that, go back to Shopify and refresh the page. Lastly, send a test email. Now you should test it. Go back to the notifications page and choose one of the email templates, like an order confirmation email. Send a test email to yourself. Then open your inbox and check if the email arrives. If it does not show up right away, check spam, junk, promotions, or other folders. So that is how you fix the not delivered email error on Shopify. Start by checking your sender email, confirm the email address, set up your domain, wait for Shopify to check it, and then send a test email. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.